Good afternoon, student of class 9. Today I am going to start the chapter factorization. Factorization means what? Actually, it is opposite function of multiplication. This is the opposite process of multiplication. Like in multiplication, what you do? X into x equal to x square. But in case of factorization, we will do the opposite things, like x square equal to x into x. We will write like that. If there is a equation like x square plus 5x, you have to factorize it. That means you have to write in the multiplication form. That means you have to take common here. In the both case there is a x, so I am taking the common x, so that become x into x plus 5. This is called factorization. You can factorize the given expression in many processes. Like one process I have shown, taking common. There is other process, you can use the formula like a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. That means if there is a equation like expression like that, x square minus y square, you can write x plus y into x minus y. If there is a square minus 25 b square is given, a square minus 5b square, you can write a plus 5b, a minus 5. There is other formula like a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. You can use that formula for factorization. Otherwise, the most important thing is middle term factor. Actually, you have done that before. Middle term factor means if there is an expression like that, x square plus 5x plus 6, you have to factorize that. In the middle, what is there? 5. Here is 6. You have to break the term, middle term, like a way that if you add them, that become 5. If you multiply them, that become plus 6. Like I am writing 3 plus 2. You can see 3 into 2 is plus 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. You have to break that in that way. That is the way of middle term factorization. So that become x square plus 3x. Actually, you have done that before. 2x plus 6. Now take the common. X plus 3. This is x plus 3. So that become x plus 3 into x plus 2. This is another way. In the first exercise, there is some math given. You have to factorize them. In the first exercise, whatever is given, that is very easy. You just have to take the common. Like in the first math, it is given 8x y cube plus 12x square y square. Common means that term is in both the expression. Like what is first? 8 and 12. What is common there in 8 and 12? That is 4. X is there, x square is there, so common is x. Y cube is there, y square is there, so common is y square. Now what is left here? 2y. What is left here? 3x. So that is the answer. Very easy. Like math number 5, it is given 8x cube minus 6x square plus 10x. What is common there? 2 is common between 8, 6, 10, and also x common. So what is left there? 4x square minus 3x plus 5. There is other maths like I am going to solve 8 number 2 14 a minus 3b cube 21p a minus 3b. Okay, what is common there in both 14 and 21? Common is 7. A minus 3b whole cube, a minus 3b, so a minus 3b is the common. So what is left here? 2a minus 3b square, and here is left 3p. That is the answer. First exercise is very easy. In the second exercise, you have to apply the same process but in different way. Let's check what is the different way is there. Exercise 4.2. Math number 1. X square plus xy minus x minus y. There is 4 way you have to take them. You have to differentiate in 2 and 2. Like I am taking the common from first two term, that is x. So there what left? X plus y. In the second term there is no common, that means I can take the common 1. As there is I have taken common minus, so both terms will become plus. So that is x plus y. Now two term is there, x into x plus y minus 1 into x plus y. In the both term there is a common x plus y. So if you take the x plus y, what is left? X, and here minus 1 is left. So the answer is x plus y into x minus 1. Math number 5.2. What is there? A into a minus 2b minus c plus 2bc. Here you can see you can't take the common directly. First you have to multiply that. What is that? Become a square minus 2ab minus ac plus 2bc. Okay, I am arranging that. A square minus ac, and that one is minus 2ab plus 2bc. A square minus ac, what is common there? A, so here is left a minus c. Here is common 2b. Again here is a minus c left. Now in the both term a minus c is common, a minus c I have taken common. So what is left? A minus 2b. 10. Math number 2. 3x square y minus 3xy plus 12x minus 12. Easily you can take the common in these two terms. What is common is there? 3xy is common. So what is left here? X, here is 1. In the second, we can take the common 12, left x minus 1. So x minus 1 is common there, and 3xy plus 12 is left. The last math is given 13 from exercise 4.2. X minus 1 minus x minus 1 square plus ax minus a. Look at that. From this term you can take the common x minus 1. So there will be left 1 minus x plus 1. Here you can take a as a common. There is left x minus 1. 1, sorry, not cancel. So that become 2 minus x. And here is a x minus 1. So in the both term x minus 1 is common. I am taking the x minus 1 common. So what is left? 2 minus x plus a. That is the answer. Easy to solve. You just have to carefully understand that. Concentrate whatever I have done. If you have problem, if you have question, you can ask me. If you are not asking the question, that means I will understand. You understand the math and you can solve the math. I will send you some math you have to solve. So try to understand whatever I explained today. Okay. Thank you and enough for today.